In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up Claude Code on Windows using the command prompt. By the end, you'll have Node.js verified, Claude Code installed, and you'll know how to launch it and log in. First, open your browser and go to the official Node.js website. On the home page, click the download option, then choose the Windows installer to get the version made for Windows. Let the download finish. We'll confirm everything worked in just a moment. Next, head over to the Claude website. Navigate to the section for Claude Code. From there, go to Advanced Installation. Scroll down until you find the standard installation area. In that section, you'll see a command you need to run. Highlight that command and copy it so it's ready for later. Now open the Windows search bar and look for command prompt. Open it and in the terminal window type Node AVI, then press enter. You should see the Node.js version number printed out, which confirms that Node.js is available on your system. With that confirmed, right-click to paste the command you copied from the standard installation section, then press enter. This will install Claude Code on your machine. Let it finish. It may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After that, open File Explorer. Choose a location you like, then right-click, select New Folder, and create a new folder. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, and then open that folder. At the top of the File Explorer window, click into the address bar, type CMD, and press enter. This is a handy shortcut that opens the command prompt directly in the current folder, so any commands you run will use this folder as the working directory. In the command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If you see a prompt asking for confirmation, choose yes and continue. Once Claude Code starts, type /login and press enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. To use Claude Code fully, you'll need to buy a subscription. The login flow will guide you to the correct place to purchase if you don't have one yet. That's it. You went to the Node.js website and downloaded the Windows installer, visited the Claude website to copy the standard installation command, verified Node.js in command prompt, installed Claude Code, created a working folder, launched Claude, and logged in. You're ready to start coding with Claude Code on Windows.